Hi, and welcome to SDS and AHU Design. I will now show you some of the functions in control system that you can make on the design page and control system. We have a specific function that I will show you, which is called Reco2, which is hidden under the recirculation part. And in this case, you can't select it because you need to have a modulated damper on the outdoor, as you see in the information text. So what we do is we select the damper on the outdoor and we make it modulated. When we now go back to the recirculation part, we can select Reco2 function. You will get the added accessory for the part you have selected, and this will be done automatically. You can select what type of sensor you would like to have to the function. And you see all the time that you get the correct accessory added. Another example is the coil, which we have under controls. You can select complete valve kit or without valve kit, for example. If I select without valve kit, I will have another option, cable resistor, an insertion sensor, cable resistor and strap-on sensor, for example, or only cable and resistor. You can select how to control it for the unit controller board or any of the other extra control sequence. If we now go to the control system page, you will see an overview of all the functions in the unit. And in here you can select, for example, duct pressure or airflow on the supply air and extract air. And when we have the Reco2 selected, you can't have duct pressure on the extract air. But you get all the needed accessory for the function you have selected. If you go back to the heating coil that we selected, you can see an overview of what you have selected. You have the water without valve kit and cable without sensor. You control it via standard IK logic. And for the Reco2 part, you can see the recirculation and what you have selected in here. You have also an information text for the function. On the flowchart tab, you can see the flowchart for the selected unit and the parts. You can change the symbol name to be another one. On the unit accessory, you can see all the components, accessories for the part selected. And for some of them, you can also select a cable length, for example. When you're done, you can check component list and see what components you have. When you're done, you go back to design and calculate the unit to get a printout. And when we select printout, you can see I will just select control system to be printed, and I will select everything in control system. And the printout will show you the function summary, first of all, for the functions you have selected. You will see the flow chart and the component description. You will have a control system overview and a detailed description of the functions you have selected. And you will also have a wiring diagram to show where to connect everything you have selected in your design.